Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate diamonds in Minecraft. First, you will need to gather a shulker box and fill it completely with the diamonds you wish to duplicate. Next, build another portal in a convenient location within your overworld base. This method requires you to be in survival mode, so make sure your game settings are correct before proceeding. This is a precise technique, so pay close attention to each step. Now, with your shulker box full of diamonds, stand directly in front of your active nether portal. This is a crucial step to set up the duplication. Once positioned, save and quit your game. This action creates a specific save point that the game will remember. After successfully saving and quitting, immediately re-enter your Minecraft world to continue the process. This is the most critical part of the duplication. Enter the nether portal while holding the shulker box containing your diamonds. As soon as the teleportation animation begins, quickly place the shulker box down on the ground. The timing here is key. It must be done during the portal transition. Immediately after placing the box, force close your game without saving. This means using Alt F4 on PC or closing the application on console or mobile. After force closing your game, reopen Minecraft and load back into your world. Upon re-entering, you should find the shulker box you placed near the portal, still containing your diamonds. Additionally, a duplicate shulker box with the same diamonds should now be in your inventory. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to multiply your diamond supply. Remember to always back up your world before attempting any glitches.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.